Aqara Vibration Sensor. Aqara Vibration Sensor is embedded with a high-precision acceleration sensor, and it detects the vibration and movement of objects. It communicates with the hub via Zigbee protocol. It also works with other smart accessories to create various smart scenes. Remove the Installation tab. Open Aqara Home app. Tap Home, and then tap Plus to enter Add Accessory page. Select Vibration Sensor. If the hub makes voice prompts,
Ready to connect to child devices.
long press the Reset button for 5 seconds until the blue light blinks 3 times, and then release. When hearing the hub voice prompts,
Child device connected.
the accessory is successfully added to the network. After the accessory is added, you can check the accessory status in the Aqara Home app or in the Apple Home app. Single press the Reset button on the accessory at your desired location. If the hub makes voice prompts,
Normal link confirmed.
it indicates that the accessory can communicate effectively with the hub. Method 1. Place it directly at the desired location. Method 2. Tear off the protective film and stick it on the desired location. Open the Aqara Home app and go to the accessory list page. Single press the Reset button on the accessory. The hub will prompt,
Normal link confirmed.
In the app, the corresponding accessory icon will flash, confirming the match between the actual accessory and the corresponding accessory in the app. Prepare a new CR2032 battery. Prepare a coin, align the coin with the battery cover, then rotate the battery cover counterclockwise until hearing a click. Remove the existing battery by hand. Place the new button battery in the battery slot and pay attention that the positive side of the battery should face upwards. Align the battery cover with the bottom of the vibration sensor. Use a coin to rotate the battery cover clockwise until hearing a click sound. The battery has been successfully replaced.